Race number 28, GT12r A2. Corner marshals are ready, and our drivers are ready. We're going racing in less than 5. All fan running. Good start. Race number 29, get them ready to go. Front wheel drive TC A2. Brian Bodine out in front by 2/10 over Scott Barnes, and Barnes 1 second out in front of James Nelson. David Constant in fourth, still last round out the top 5, followed by Tao, John, Leo, and Rick. One minute down and 7 minutes left to go, guys. 1 down, 7 to go. Fluorescent orange across the start finish line. That's our race leader. Barnes in the orange and blue, and then James Nelson in the orange. David Constant trying to stay with that front group. Starting to look like a 3-car breakaway. Still in last, rounding out the top 5, followed by Hicks, now Trent, Yoder. Cortez did not start. Last time by for our race leader, 14.4. His hot lap is a 14.2. Scott Barnes, 14.6 the last time by. Now James Nelson moving up into the second spot with a 15.1. Nelson holds the hot lap of the race at a 14.2. So that light orange on the move right now. Nelson coming across the start finish line. Nelson didn't have a very great A1, so he's looking to turn things around here in A2 and A3 for the GT12R class. Get ready for front wheel drive. Race number 29, front wheel drive A2, have them ready to go. We got a good battle between John Hicks and Leo Zhao down the back straightaway. Not all battles are out front. Hicks and Zhao in through the center of the course. Hicks keeping the door closed on Zhao across the start finish line. Hicks in the white car. Zhao in that gray. Over on the right hand side, and now back in through the center of the course. Meanwhile, we got a battle for the 2 spot. Coming in through the center as Scott Barnes closing in on James Nelson. Second across the line, third across the line. Race leader coming up on traffic, guys. Fluorescent orange coming up on the blue. So we're coming up on Yoder and Zhao. Bodine in the orange, your leader. Thanks. .315 down, 4:45 left to go. Got 3:15 down, 4:45 left. Oh, trouble on the right side. We are clear. 4:30 left to go. Got to watch in the middle. And clear. Battle for second, making it through some traffic. We're coming up on Yoder. Yoder, you're going to have second and third with you next. Looks like James Nelson still maintaining the 2 spot out there in that tangerine orange, coming up on Rick Yoder down the backstretch. And we're halfway there, 4 down and 4 to go. Third is still Scott Barnes, but here comes David Constant in fourth. Got a little battle shaping up for the 3 spot. Meanwhile, still Bodine out in front with a 3.8 second advantage in the fluorescent orange. Coming across the start finish line now. Coming up on Still in Last. Still in Last is running in the 5 spots. Hicks in 6, Yoder in 7, Zhao, Tran, and Cortez to complete the running order here. 3 minutes and 25 seconds left to go. So just before 1:30 in the afternoon, guys, we are going to keep charging ahead and enjoying the race action here as we get deep into A2s. Then we'll get into our B2s, and then we'll finish things off with our A3s and a nice trophy presentation at the end of the day. Head on over to the snack bar, pick up some churros. They got some fresh churros made up over there. Get a snack, get a drink, hang out, and enjoy the racing. Maybe you're done with your lower main events, but you still want to hang out and spend the rest of the day with us. Feel free to do so, guys. At the LEMO facility, this place is awesome. Big shout out to the LEMO staff and crew. They've been hosting us for 3 days, so make sure to thank them on the way out. Let's also make sure that when we pack up, we police our area. We have trash bags and receptacles, so just like we said at the meeting, guys, let's respect the raceway and make sure that we're welcome back here. And make sure you guys are cleaning up your stuff. Bodine, Nelson, and Barnes, our top 3 here, followed by David Constant, and still in last to round out the top 5, Hicks, Yoder, and so. We got just over 2 minutes left to go, guys. Thank you to our sponsors, Awesomatics USA, Hobby Wing, RC America, One Up Racing, Motive, Gravity, Ride USA, Gents Ace, Alera 3D, Protoform, Gonzo Paintworks, Multi Tires, Exact RC, Square RC, and Axon. Thank you very much to all of our sponsors. We had a great set of raffle prizes. We still have some unclaimed prizes over there. Go and take a look. Make sure you see if you've got a match with your tickets. And the next time you go shopping for products, think of those brand names. Bodine, Nelson, and Barnes, our top 3. Malmö Constant still in last to round out the top 5 here. 7 minutes down and 1 minute left to go. Final minute of racing here. Bodine, 14.9 the last time by. Orange car getting some love through traffic there. Okay, so GT12r A1 winner was Bodine, so he's looking at the championship title if he can finish out front here. 30 seconds.
I get it.
Bodine, Nelson, and Barnes, our top 3 here, followed by Constant and still in last to round out the top 5. Yoder, Higgs, Al, and Tran to complete the running order. 15 seconds left to go. Brian Bodine off the end of the straight, back over on the right-hand side, coming in through the center of the course. This will be his final lap. Keep going, guys, keep going. And the white flag is out. Brian Bodine is done with the win in A number 2. That'll make you our champion for GT12R. Congratulations to Brian Bodine on the win. Got a couple more to finish up, waiting on Rick. Scott Barnes, you're done in 2nd, James Nelson 3rd, and that's race. Everybody is done. David Constant 4th and still in last, rounding out the top